In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off and disable automatic dubbing on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. YouTube has a feature that it can automatically dub your videos, but if you'd prefer not to use it, here's how you can disable it. Firstly, go to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking the profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the dropdown. Next, go ahead and open Settings. In the bottom left-hand corner of the Studio dashboard, just click Settings. From here, go ahead and select Upload Defaults from the sidebar. Once you get in this section, you must scroll down until you find the Automatic Dubbing option, which should be in the Advanced Settings. You may see that it is enabled for you. To go ahead and disable it, just uncheck the box that says Allow Automatic Dubbing. Click Save and this feature will be turned off. If you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. Have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.